Welcome. Today, we dive into the fascinating world of row counting in Power BI. Sounds exciting, right? Well, it should. Knowing the row count is like knowing how many guests are at your party. You wouldn't want to run out of snacks. It helps validate data, optimize performance, and make sure your reports are accurate. Stick around because by the end of this, you'll be counting rows like a pro. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Power BI is like a magic toolbox for data lovers. It lets us analyze massive datasets with ease, and rows are its building blocks. Each row tells a story, like a character in a novel, but instead of drama, we get insights. Manipulating rows helps us dig deep into our data and uncover hidden patterns. So let's get comfortable with rows because they are the backbone of our analysis. Ever tried to bake a cake without counting the ingredients? A disaster, right? Counting rows is just as crucial. It ensures our data is clean, reliable, and ready for analysis. It helps in troubleshooting errors, allocating resources wisely, and aggregating reports efficiently. Simply put, if you don't count rows, you risk misinterpreting your data. And trust me, no one wants data chaos. A Power Query is like a Swiss Army knife. It's got tools for everything. To count rows, we use the Count Rows function, apply filters to refine data, group it for better insights, and even transform columns to enhance analysis. It's all about efficiency. Because let's face it, nobody wants to sift through millions of rows manually. A Power Query makes row counting a breeze. Row counting sounds simple, right? Until you realize your numbers are way off. Filters can be sneaky, blank values love to play hide and seek, and some aggregation functions just don't want to cooperate. And let's not even start on relationships, because a messy data relationship is worse than a bad breakup. But don't worry, we'll untangle these errors together. Numbers alone. Boring. Let's add some sparkle with visualization. Tables and matrices give you the raw counts, bar charts make comparisons obvious, and conditional formatting makes spotting outliers easy. And if you want to feel fancy, KPI visuals will help you track trends, so you can impress your boss or just feel like a data wizard. Static counts are fine if your data never changes, which it definitely does. Enter dynamic row countings. Functions like count, COUNTROWS, and DISTINCTCOUNT do the heavy lifting. Add if and switch statements to handle tricky conditions, and calculated columns for an accuracy boost. Basically, this is row counting with superpowers. Meet your new best friend in DAX variables. They store values efficiently, making calculations faster and cleaner. VAR makes even complex formulas readable. Debugging, no problem. And let's face it, no one likes unnecessary calculations, so variables help reduce that. Trust me, once you start using them, you'll wonder how you ever managed without them. Complex data models can feel overwhelming, but don't panic, we've got strategies. Large datasets, optimize them. Multi-table models, handle relationships smartly. Precision filtering and advanced DAX functions make sure you're getting the right row count. Think of it like mastering a game, you'll soon be playing at expert level. Want accurate row counts? Then follow best practices. Validate your numbers regularly. Write clean DAX formulas, debug smartly, and stay consistent with data modeling standards. Think of it as good hygiene except for data. A little effort now saves you from big headaches later. Congratulations, you're now officially a row counting expert. We tackled common errors, visualization tricks, dynamic measures, and best practices. Keep these insights handy and remember, row counting is both an art and a science. With the right techniques, you'll never have to second-guess your numbers again. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.